Welcome to Chillin' with Chuck. Today we are going to be doing an easy recipe. This one is buffalo chicken wing dip. Simple 4 ingredients that we're going to add together. Get them at your local Walmart store, wherever, Wegmans, wherever you live. And this is my little boy, 10-year-old Caleb. He's going to be helping me make the buffalo chicken wing dip. So let's get right into this. Philadelphia cream cheese. Need 1 stick of that. I got this at Walmart. It's just a great value. 2 cans of chunky chicken breast. You won't be using both cans, but you'll be using like 1 1/2. And you gotta mince it all up in your hands. We have Hidden Valley Ranch, Bold Buffalo Blast. You're gonna use 1/2 cup of that. And we got the Old Frank's Red Hot Sauce, 1/2 cup of that. That's the simple ingredients, and that is gonna make yourself one of the best tasting buffalo chicken wing dips that you can make. Oh, and you can add cheese. That's, not part of the recipe, but you can add cheese to it at the end. Scrumble it on top just a little bit, just to get that little brown glaze. Okay, so let's get over here. I'll help Caleb do it. Okay, this right here, your Philadelphia cream cheese.
How do you open this?
How do you open it? How do you open Philadelphia cream cheese?
Oh,
no.
Okay, never mind, a knife.
Let me show you.
I'm really... Oh, they are smart.
You're gonna need to put all of that into there. Into the dish. Casserole. Into the dish.
Okay, so...
Not done yet. Now we have to find a knife and everything else.
Knives are over here.
No,
Okay.
not a butter knife. Kind of get all this off of there. Scrape the rest of this. You don't want to miss any of the ingredients. Got to get all the cream cheese in there.
The more the better.
Yes, definitely. Okay. Okay, now on to the next thing we are going to do. You want to go throw that out in the garbage, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. Not supposed to do that, folks, but, it works. Maybe. Maybe not. Things are impossible to get into. Okay. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, now I'm going to take this over here, guys. Open it up just a little bit and get all that liquid out.
It smells good.
Mm-hmm. Here. Okay. We got those ready, right? Okay, we need a measuring cup. Where's the measuring cup at?
Right here.
Not even opened.
Nope. He's got the scissors.
Okay. Get the 1/2 cup one.
This must be it. Thank you, Mother. There. And this is why... Wait, a Frank's?
Yeah, it's easier to take the lid off, but
Gotcha.
1/2 cup. Is that the 1/2 cupper?
Yeah.
Okay. Be careful picking it up. It's gonna be.
Come in tight on that pour.
Okay. Pour that in. You got your hot, or half cup of hot sauce. Okay. Coming over here. And gotta open this one up still. Super easy recipe.
True.
But this stuff turns out the bomb.
Yeah, thebomb.com.
Okay. Half a cup of this squeezed into there. All right, let me mix it up. Okay. Half a cup of that at least. Oh yeah. Hey, pour that in and then just add a little bit more because that stuff is the bomb.
.com.
Okay. Just add a little more squeeze in there. Oh yeah. Okay. Sweet. Yeah. We need a little bit more hot sauce. Gotta always have a little more hot sauce in it. There we go. Add a little more hot sauce in there and all right.
Yep.
Okay. Take those ingredients, Caleb,
Okay, mix them.
and mix all that stuff up.
Oh, geez.
Here, let me get in there, buddy.
Okay, you're stronger than me. I'm weak.
Yeah, it probably didn't get melded all the way like it was supposed to, so. Kind of solid still.
Splashing anyway.
Okay, we gotta throw this in the microwave, guys. This stuff wasn't melded right, so.
Softened. It wasn't softened all the way.
Okay. Yeah, so not a minute, guys. Probably about 20 seconds just to soften it up a little bit.
No, we should have some elevator music.
Yeah. Make sure the Philadelphia cream cheese is completely melted. And then we can go from there.
Well, softened.
Softened.
Yep.
See, now it's mixing a little bit better.
There we go. There we go.
This might look better. My ears.
There we go.
A whisk is always good to break stuff up like that. It'll work. If you put your chicken in, it might help break it up too.
Okay. We're gonna have to put this in the microwave a little bit longer now.
With another trip to the microwave, because the Philadelphia cream cheese was being temperamental with us. Mixing it all out, getting all of this completely thoroughly mixed, because you want to have that nice little snap spice bite in every little chunk of this, you know, when you get done with it. So, Caleb, if you want to add in all the, or take the chicken chunks and start putting them up into your hands.
Wait, can I wash my hands?
Are your hands washed?
No.
Yeah. make sure your hands are clean when you're handling meats.
Oh, and then dry my hands out.
No, little shreds.
Like this?
Just like pinch it in your hands and roll it.
Like that?
Yup. Pinch it in your hands and roll it. Just like when you got an itch somewhere else. No, I'm just kidding.
I was thinking a booger, but...
A booger? We're eating, we're making the...
And you were talking about somewhere else.
But I didn't say that. I wasn't descriptive.
Hold
You
on.
see what I gotta deal with here, folks? She talks all kinds of mad shit and turns around and does this with me, you know? This is like flawed crazy, but it's a very good recipe.
Cronky's a wild animal. Cronky.
She ain't crying.
It might attack at any moment.
Okay.
If you take a fork into the
Okay.
can, you can. Are you gonna help?
Yes, this is taking way too long.
Sorry.
It's a super easy recipe. It takes 10 minutes to make.
Well, when you make it.
Make
Yeah.
sure you don't have chunks in it. Just pinch it in your hands, man, and just smear it. That's just meat. It's not gonna kill you. I guarantee it. I promise you.
Unless I have
Just
some...
be careful with the edge of the can, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't want to end up at the hospital on Thanksgiving. Well, I was gonna make this in the oven, but we kind of have a turkey in there right now, so this is just kind of like a div before dinner, you know.
This is just a little something.
This
before
is a pre-game munchie before the dinner.
little more.
Okay, this needs to be mixed up. Kind of like
There you go.
Yeah.
move your hands.
Oh, it looks so good.
Now you see a drop of juice come out. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Go back into.
Make
Can
sure-
you make it in the thing, bro? Look at this. This is this kid. Look at this.
Okay, sorry.
Look at this kid, man.
Conky. The bigger the dish, the more ingredients, or the more amount, of course.
Smoosh it in your fingers. So satisfying. La
This is-
la 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 la.
This is the best part about it. I really.
Now the best part for me is eating it.
Oh yeah, me too. For anyone is probably.
Maybe. Some people don't like chicken in it.
How much longer is this gonna take? I need to base my bird.
Forever.
Forever.
No, we should have something that said 10 hours later.
Okay.
Move your hand, Gator.
We're good. We're good. No more. No more.
Gator, how's your hand?
We have enough.
Okay. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
So good.
Okay. Mix it all up. Can you get the cheese instead of dripping water on my toes? Thank you. Cooking with the Angry Johnsons.
There you go. There you go. And
Okay.
I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of cheese.
All ingredients we got at our local Walmart for cheap price.
I can't.
Cheap price, awesome. Value, awesome. Results. See, and you don't want to put too much chicken in it because then it'll dry up all the sauce right here. Okay? I like to make sure it gets everywhere. Gotta scrape the sides, otherwise you just get big things of chunks of food. Okay, I'm gonna smooth it all out.
Oh gee, I can't open this.
Make sure everything's covered up.
There we go. Here, you add the cheese. I don't want to ruin it. Are you just gonna sprinkle it?
La la la! Oh, Mom wants it.
YOLO.
Mom wants to try it. Let's try the taste test.
That is tangy.
Tangy is the flavor.
Wow.
And you're just gonna sprinkle enough cheese on it, whatever kind you want. I'd use Colby Monterey Jack. You can use pepper jack, any kind of cheese.
You don't.
Blah,
you
blah,
don't.
blah.
You don't want to have the entire bag of cheese. You want just the perfect amount.
I'm just making enough to cover up
Yeah.
the sauce.
So you can't.
Kind of creates a barrier, you know. But then it's also good too because it's cheese.
Yeah,
I like cheese.
I like cheese.
I like cheese.
Just a little bit more. Over here, over
I love
here.
it. You're such a perfectionist when you cook.
Smash it with your Rice Krispies.
Rice Krispie treats. Oh, those are so good when he makes them. It's good. It's good. It's good.
A little bit right there. See? I see it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. And we're going to place this in the oven. That's before results.
That looks like a mini pizza.
Okay. So we're going to cook it for, what is it, 20 minutes? So like I said, the oven has turkey in it, so we have no room in there, so we got to use our little toaster oven. So let's try to burn ourselves.
Yep.
Okay, 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes to perfection. Okay, howdy. Chillin' with Chuck. We'll come back in a second. Okay, guys, get your little mitts on, and let's pull this bad boy out and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that.
You can hear it bubbling. Do you
Bubbling.
hear it bubbling?
Ooh. And we'll sit it right here on top of the oven because it's.
Let it cool out.
Let it cool off.
Look at that bubble.
Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. It's super good.
Okay.
There you guys have it. Simple, easy buffalo chicken dip or buffalo chicken wing dip recipe. Again, it's got the nice little brown caramelization on it. You leave it in for 20 minutes, maybe a couple more minutes, you know. Got all the sauces mixed in. It's looking beautiful. And it is going to be delicious. So,
Let it cool.
let it cool, definitely. Let it cool for a while. This is Chuck, Chillin' with Chuck. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. It's simple, it's easy. Even, 10-year-old child can help you make it. Okay? So, I hope you guys chill. Peace, I'm outie.